Hey everyone, is your iPhone stuck with the cloud activation lock links or lock to owners? How do you fix it at your home without doing a jailbreaks with the help of PC or laptops? We will see live step by step with real demonstrations. Right now, see here, this device came to my shop at the morning times today and just quickly we are trying to fix it. So immediately we will have to deliver to other customer. And right now, see here, this is a lock to owner and the saying here activation lock that prevents anyone who is not the owner from using this device. So what's the best strategy to without doing a jailbreaks? And that should be a permanent solution. So why it happens guys? Maybe sometimes you have to purchase a second hand device and the previous owner who erase everything, so then it will stack on there. Sometimes maybe a stolen mode, lost mode, blacklisted, or reported device. Sometimes you have attempted multiple times a screen wrong passcode, time screen wrong passcode, iDevice mobile management wrong password, or manager password. In a situation, we will have to access by using iTunes. iTunes will give you DNS cloud configuration and Apple database configuration. That what's the actual feature? This is activation lock. It has been highlighted here. So let's fix that. According to other issues, we will have to troubleshoot it. So right now this is a activation lock is enabled on it. That's why it saying that lock to owner. So just we will open a blob saver, we will read it, and we will use all the tools and driver. That would be absolutely free guys, so don't worry, directly you can have it. Now this device can be restarted multiple times, rebooted multiple times, so please don't unplug the device, don't disconnect the device also guys. And we will see a step by step, so don't skip ahead. Every step is going to be very crucial guys. Let's walk all through. And we have gotten successfully at the announce in a one attempt guys. What we will do, we will try to reaccumulate all the data on this physical form of this device, and then we'll go inside to delete all the data. So let's check it out now that all the data has been accumulated on here or not. 3U tool has automatically open, show succeed, close, and we are on here. Just we will click on a crash analysis, and thereupon we'll go the inside, see lot of the file that I have accumulated as we will delete here. So let's go. See all the steps here. Still I could not got in any error guys. So now these all file hit this one, so all file have been deleted, one remain. So this one let's also delete. Now it has gone. Now we will close. We will come on a real-time log guys and try to clear it also. Still it is linked to an owner. Fine, it's no problem at all. Keep clearing it at least 20 times guys. Now we will make it pass to clear. So recent one would be especially all clear. Now we will open a blob saver, refresh one more time, and thereupon we will hit this one. It has a connected, so just we will come on a here, and here is show device console option. Just we will go for here, cancel this, and we will clear this all the console. So whatever the retaining cloud database, that would be clear from here, and from the crash analysis and the real-time log, the Apple database that I had cleared. So you'll be clear of the Apple database server, then there will be no chances to have once again link. So just keep clearing that. Now see, it's the fetching the data. Fine, keep clearing guys. At least 20 times you will have to clear. Now one more time we will refresh here, and thereupon yes we will go for keep clearing. Keep clearing, guys. Keep clearing. See guys, here on a 3U tool we will have option 1, that is REC mode. Hit this one and keep clearing. So there's almost a white screen is happening here. So just we will close this application and we would be stable on this 3U tool. On 3U tool we will tap on a smart flash. In a smart flash we will go for especially click on refresh it, and if you refresh now, see one IPSW that has been recommended here. Either we can download or imports. So we will prefer to especially imports. We are not going to download. So how exactly this firmware is recommended? You can confirm by going on a firmware. In firmware options, see, we'll have to elect the model number. So suppose this is 10 series. So here last one, see, either we can directly import or downloads. This is exact version that H392 on a green dot that we will have to download, and then we can go with the special. So this similar version we had already downloaded. So we will tap on easy flash. We'll go for import options, and here on desktop, see here we kept 392 successfully imported. We will select the quick flash mode. Don't select the retain user data. Don't select the anti-recovery mode. Don't select the fix, and we will hit this one. Here, fix the battery also to the flash. Don't elect. Go with the especially now. So now that we can see here, we have reached on a 11%. Let it cross more than 50% with selected close iTunes, so that there will no chances to have the error. When it cross more than 50% means we will have no any problems, yes, to have any error on it, especially in the screen by using a 3U tool, because sometimes while the flashing process the device can be restart or may restart multiple times, so maybe chances to have the error. So please don't unplug the device, don't disconnect the device. Now we will have to relax. Now it has been initiated to come with a new firmware, and yes, this firmware can be downloaded from the various websites. One is ipsw.me.com, ipsw.beta.com, www.3u.com, so on. Itself Apple website there is also available, guys. So now it has initiated there, and now see what's going to happen further. Let me keep it on here. Now see guys, here each second is auditable in front of you guys. Now we are waiting for the results. There are 2-3 precautions that we need to follow. You should have the second internet connection, because the 3U tool is functioning on the basis of totally that you have the provided internet connection. Sometimes it can give you error because of not internet connections is giving good, especially in the configuration. And second, you should have a second thing that data cable should be a good quality. Otherwise, yes, if there disconnection problem happens, then yes, this will stick on Apple logo, and the whole procedure we will have to repeat it, guys. So that's why I'm saying no. And third thing is that before execution, so try to the recommended, yes, iOS you need to download. In download there also I have mentioned to you that green dot was there, that only once we will have to downloads. And now we are waiting for the results, because 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial, and we will check it out that what kind of that is going to happen. Yes, because more than 200 errors this can be rendered on a one particular iPhone. So particular issues, how do you troubleshoot of that? That's a very, yes, important matter. So we will coach you here, guys. Guide you that suddenly an error comes, then of course we will immediately troubleshoot and you will be able to get extra aware, extra information. So in a coming day you would be a veteran is for fixing of the related to the iOS issues easily at your home. This strategy can't tell you, especially any shopkeeper, because of especially yes. By free of course you can fix it at your home, then why you will there is there. So that's why guys. And it's a totally free. These all tools and drivers I will provide you below the description box and there would be download links and it's my better advice that go on its official website and get it updated version so that easily you can there will no chances to have any error, more accuracy can be expected from this procedure. So that's why I'm saying this can be operational on any operating system, either it is a Windows 7, Windows 8 or 8.1, 10 or 11s, no problem at all. You can. Now we are waiting for, yes, we are on a 47% and almost 50% we have completed. Look at on the device process. Maybe we have the rest on here, guys. Now we are waiting here. Total estimated times, yes, is approximately 20 minutes. This can be expected. So that's why guys, you will have to watch a complete tutorials. Maybe chances to have the error, but almost 50% is we have completed. So further we will see. And any kinds of the confusion query you will have, so then blindly drop the query in the comment box. Our pleasure would be mine to reply your query, guys. Everything is in front of you, so just learn it and go for it. If you are having this kind of challenge, don't panic. Either your device is locked with a screen passcode, Face ID, Touch ID is not recognized, screen passcode or activation locks, cloud activation lock links, time screen passcode, or iDevice mobile management locks. Any situation by a general method, that is, here we are executing. Go with this, and this will give you more accuracy to have for fixing of any iOS. Yes, if you're planning to fix the MacBooks are a little bit different, and this strategy can be applicable by using also especially MacBooks, and all over the world you can apply this strategy. And this will give you 99% of course accuracy and easily. So without touching on this device, we will show you without having the internet connection inside on this device, then yes, how this easily can be fixed. I will demonstrate you right now. See, just wait a 2-3 crucial steps that we will have to execute at the end of this tutorial. So that is very informative to aware. And while you're doing these all things, before execution, there should be no SIM card. Otherwise, of course, maybe chances to have the error in the network carrier or SIM not valid. This kind of issues will come. So there should be no that. Yes, however, SIM card is not valid. This thing is coming on any particular iPhones, and then I will show you at the end of after executing this. How this can be also fixed. Almost 14 minutes we completed, guys. We could not go to any trailer. No, so this can be. Don't worry, guys. Here now we are on a 72%. Fine, we are waiting for the results. Just see, we have this now. It has a jumping order scene and that congratulated, and this has been clearly given a message that it has been completed. So we will tap on toolbox, and here we have option that is the batch activations. This feature has been provided by Trio Tools. By free of course you can go for execution, but this will skip the setting of the region, language, Wi-Fi, Face ID, Touch ID, Apple ID, Cloud ID, lock to owners, and time screen passcode. So everything that we can skip since it has been highlighted or from When it has highlighted, just we will select all and we will go for execution. So now it has initiated there. Look at. Now we will see here any times when the error comes, and then immediately we will change the internet connections, and then once again we will click on a star so that DNS cloud configuration and Apple database would be good configured so that there will be no chances to have the error. These issues can be fixed here if it comes. Fine. Second, in a rest of rare case, if however it's coming this kind of error, then what we will do once again, we will change the internet connection by using a virtual private network according to the precise location of device. So device belongs to Hong Kong, we will have to provide here precise location of PC of Hong Kong. So both are similar precise location according to the cells area of a device, then there will be no chances to have the error, guys. It happens because of these things. So now we can see here easily we are waiting and there's still no any errors coming. So we are waiting for the results. Let's see. Any error comes and then immediately we will troubleshoot of it. And this is shows. I will show that how easily you can fix it. Now still it is taking time, so 2 to 5 minutes and this can be expected on here, guys. Sometimes it's happen on an internet database server, also on Apple database. Now see both has been skipped and we have reached on a Apple hello screen. So we will select this one, we will hit this one, and here we can see that is a 10-second is asking for cloud unbinding Apple ID from this device. So we are waiting for, but before the goings, now that we can see here it has gone, but however try to unbind the Apple ID so that now see is asking some that activation requires. No problem at all. We will click on here and now see these things. Once again try to unbind these things, otherwise you will have the problem, guys. Here now what we will do, guys, here we will try to access by using a iTunes so that this will give good cloud configuration once again, and maybe no chances to once again linked with the cloud activation log links after restarting. So that's why I'm saying, no, guys, here we will have to select close iTunes, deselect it, guys, here, otherwise iTunes will not be open. So now what we'll do here, just click on here iTunes. Let's access the data by using iTunes. What's the saying in the cloud configuration and Apple database, that it is still linked or not. Now we can see gone. Fine. This device is fully completely fixed, guys. Now it has the welcome, so no problem at all. Just we will cut it from here and will come the real virtual locations to restore the true location. Insert the SIM card. Local area network will be restored with this device now with your local SIM card, and we are restarting. So we will check it out also that after restarting once again it is going the cloud activation lock links or not. If it is not, then of course we can get it that this is permanently fixed. Now customer can enjoy, can be the beneficiary by using any SIM card. Directly we come on a hello screen and it's waiting for activation. So if we click on here, connect to the internet or the sign into your device, means you can connect to internet connection, try to generate any Apple ID, according to your own choice on this device, and now see everything is disabled. So and directly it will come on a home screen, not a hello screen. So this is all about it. Hi, this is a technology friend. We'll be back with a step-by-step new tutorial. So don't forget to join this channel. Yes, this kind of information we will update you next tutorial also with new technique, how to use it and how to fix this. Not only related to iOS, MacBooks, operating systems and Gmail recovery. So this is all about, guys. Thank you very much indeed.